Chapter: Earn $1,000 a month, 5 side hustles. You can start now. All right, so you want to make an extra $1,000 a month without quitting your day job? Let's get right into it. Here are 5 side hustles that you can actually start this week. First up, freelance writing. If you have a way with words, companies and blogs are always hunting for people who can write articles, website copy, newsletters. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr make it easy to set up a profile and start pitching gigs. With just a few clients, you can hit that $1,000 target, and you get to work from literally anywhere. Next, we've got virtual assistant work. Tons of small businesses and entrepreneurs need help with things like scheduling, email management, and basic research. You don't need a ton of experience to start, and some jobs pay upwards of $25 an hour. So, if you're organized and good at multitasking, this is a solid pick. Number 3, selling digital products. Think templates, printables, simple course materials. Sites like Etsy, Gumroad are perfect for this. You make a product once, and it keeps selling. With a few good products and some smart marketing, passive income is definitely possible. Fourth on the list, rideshare or delivery apps. If you've got evenings or weekends free, driving for Uber, DoorDash, Instacart can easily add up. Plus, you control your own schedule, and tips can boost your income. Flexible hours plus tips make this a reliable side option. Finally, online tutoring. If you're good at math, science, guitar, there's someone out there willing to pay for your help. Websites like VIPKid, Wizant connect you with students, and some sessions pay $20 or more per hour. You can teach from home, and you don't always need a degree, just some expertise and passion. That can quickly turn into a steady $1,000 a month if you book regular sessions. So, whether you're writing, organizing, selling, driving, teaching, making an extra $1,000 a month is totally doable. The best part? You can try more than one and see what sticks. Let me know which one you'd start with, or if you've got your own side hustle hack to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Good luck. You can do this. Small steps, steady income. See you in the next video.